Folding Old Glory. The materials you will need are an American flag and a friend to help you fold the flag. Step 1. Fold the flag in half, hot dog style. As you may have noticed, I have left one strip of the flag unfolded. This will help me in further folds. Step 2. Repeat the second folds in half, hot dog style again, making sure that the blue section is now on the outside. This time, I will not leave a strip of the flag unfolded. Step 3. One person will hold the flag by the blue section with the stars. In this case, a very heavy book does. While the other person, who is me, makes triangular folds on the opposite open end. As I make these folds, I need to make sure that they are very tight. I need to make sure they are tight so that the last fold will work properly. Earlier, I used the term Old Glory. Old Glory is just another name for the American flag. Did you know that the American flag once had 13 stars instead of 50? At the end of the step, you should have a little bit of the flag still left. Step 4. Tuck the loose edge of the flag into the pocket formed by the folds. The finishing shape should be a triangle. This represents the hats that the Minutemen once wore. Step 5. Make sure all the red is tucked in and not visible. This is because the red represents the day, and as you fold the flag, the day fades into the night. At night, there are stars, like the flag should now show. Now, with all I have taught you, I challenge you to grab a flag and a friend and try to fold one today.